Hi all, if you wanna install front sensors on a Volkswagen Amarok, this video is for you. So look, number one, you got one sensor out here, the other one out here, third one is here, fourth one is here. Now to install this, it wasn't really straightforward, but wasn't really too difficult either. To begin with, I bought the sensors from AliExpress. They were really cheap, like $15 or whatever. They were really good. So to wire this up, so what I've done is, obviously they send you a little drill bit, this one here, so you drill into it and install the sensor. And then for the cables, what I did was I run them behind, obviously underneath the car. So the easiest bit which I was trying to understand and I was trying to work out was, I'll show you. I cut the cables from bottom of the car to the top of the car. So this is the right hand light, obviously. You see these cables out here. So the cables which came from the sensors were not long enough, so what I did was I chopped them out here. Did a connecting cables, so you need 4 cables, obviously, one for each sensor. So then I'll show you. It was a bit tricky to get the cables up, but what I did was I dropped a wire and then connected those wires with it, and then pulled the 4 wires along with the cable I dropped. So you can see the cable is running through or wire or near the air filter, so all the way along here. And then I drop them. Oh, you can't see, can you? So I've run it under right here, just by the reservoir for the radiator water. Drop them down again under the car, and this one was fairly easy, to be honest. So open this up. See the wires? They're coming from here. If you look underneath, again, very simple. So run the cables next to the tire mudguard, you call it. These are the cables coming from the top, and then they go. There was a little rubber which I broke. You see this clip here? I'll touch it for you. This one, this is for your trim at the top. Right next to it, under the carpet, you can get the cables at the top. So these cables, you can't really see them from here, which is good. So ran them from top of this. Then under the into the car. I'll show you what I did under the car. So there you go. That's inside of the car. Took them out from here. Then they go this location. Get my other phone for the light. I don't know where's it gone. So to power this up, what I did was, see there's a red wire and there's a black wire to power this thing up. Obviously I connected those 4 connectors along with the cable which I've got, and this is my little buzzer which is making too much sound. So what I did was I put a bit of a tape on it, so it doesn't make, it was too loud, to be honest. It was annoying. So connect this. There was a spare one. See how you got, if you pull this out, you got the connectors on either side, which means it's connected some way. This one is a spare one, so this one has got a 12-volt in it. So I just got a fuse, connect the wire to the fuse, and then plug that in. And to get the black cable, what I did was, I'll just lift up. There's a black cable right here. See, there's a little assembly for this accelerator. So I got a little nut, and I connect the cable through the nut, and that's how it's getting powered now. So good thing is it's not getting powered every time, which I didn't want it to do. So if I turn the ignition on, if I go next to it, so that's making the sound now. So I'm just going to put power chair next to it. so you can hear it. So it works now. Thank you.